Una self don't see the items there. This is a gift from the Crown Prince, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed Ibn Zayed from the United Arab Emirates. We just inspect about 7 tons of COVID essential materials to fight against COVID. Like we are just say later on, this is now a demonstration of the strong bilateral relationship between Sieralyon and the UAE, where His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio don build over the last couple of years. That boku waka where the bab in the waka around the world, they go and build relationships, strategic relationship. This is not just some of the fruits of their work they need. When you take over government as president, you have to go build relationship. You have to go strengthen your relationship of your country with other country there. So this is not just the fruits. And more don't come before this, and more will continue to come out of the numerous international engagement His Excellency don't get. So we want to tell the people of UAE thank you. On behalf of His Excellency the President and the people of Sierra Leone, we want to tell them thank you. So this is the item we deeply appreciate and we believe say it will bolster the capacity for fight COVID.